my YouTube channel. My name is Yeislin. For those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my lips look plumpier and more fuller without any lip injections. Now, we don't want to go breaking the bank if you can't afford them, so I'm just going to show you some tips and tricks on how to make them plumpier and more luscious for those of you who like a plumpy lip like me. Alright, if you guys want to see how I get a plumpy lip, then just keep on watching. Alright, so to start off, you're going to have to exfoliate your lips. And I'm going to tell you guys what I do. I'm not going to show you because I already did it before I recorded this video. But what I do is after I brush my teeth, I just use a toothbrush and I just scrub my lips, but really softly, because you don't want to scrub them hard because you don't want them to bleed because your lips are very gentle. So just brush your lips for maybe like 30 seconds, and then after that you'll notice that your lips will get redder and plumpier. And so what I do after I exfoliate my lips with my toothbrush is I apply this Naked Cosmetics lip scrub. And I got this in my Ipsy bag like 2 months ago, and I just started using it and I really love it. I feel like my lips are so nice and soft, and they just moisturize me while I'm doing my makeup. So it is a lip scrub, but I use it more like a lip balm, and it works just as good. And I already applied a little bit, but I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit more. Alright, so the first thing that we want to do before we apply lip liner or lipstick or lip gloss, whatever it is I'm gonna contour my lips. And what I'm gonna do to contour my lips is I'm gonna be using my bronzer there. And what I wanna do is I'm gonna contour the bottom of my lip right here to make my lips look a little bit more puttier. So I'm just gonna be using this brush. It's an eyeshadow brush, but I'm gonna use it just underneath my lip. Now, can you tell that it's already starting to look a little bit more plumpier? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing right here. So as you can tell, it made it look a little bit more plumpy. Alright, so now that I went ahead and contoured my lips, what I'm going to do next is outline my lips. And the color that I've been using lately, it's a nude color, and I really like it. It goes really well with my skin complexion, and that's the NYX lip liner in the color London. So the part that I like to overline the most is the middle part right here. Is the middle part of my lips. On the sides, I tend to keep it real close to my natural line, and then when I move towards the middle, I outline a little bit. So I'm gonna show you. And then just overline just a little bit. And then get back to my natural line. Can see that. And then I just like to fill it in a little bit. The lip liner. And so for the top, pretty much the same concept. I like to overline right here, and then towards the sides, I keep it real close to my natural line. And then follow my lip line. And then shade it in. So you can either do it just like that, or another way that I like to overline my lip is instead of doing my little dip, I just do a straight line through. I just feel like it gives it more of a plumpier look, and that's what I love. Also, what I like to do is go over it with lip gloss. And what lip gloss does is it just brings out your lips. So what I do is I like to apply lip gloss on the center of my lips. And I'm just going to be using this lip gloss right here. I got it from Ulta as a birthday gift like some years ago. And I'm just going to apply it on the center of my lips. Alright guys, and the last step that I like to do is highlight my little Cupid's bow. And I feel like that just helps brings out your lips even more. And I'm just using my highlighter from Maybelline, the Master Chrome. Alright guys, and that is how I get my lips to look plumpier and more luscious. If you guys liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down below, or just hit my icon right here to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell. That way you guys will be notified of when I upload videos on my channel. Bye loves!